my love for music grew in this exact room. And that's really special to be able to come back here and talk and inspire kids that are in this room right now. So I don't know, maybe not every kid heard me, but maybe there's 2 or 3 kids that will go on and take what I said today and do what I did, which would be amazing. When I got the lead in the musical, Mrs. Begg was very patient with me. And you know, she taught me how to kind of face my stage fright. So I'm very lucky to have overcome that at such a young age and with such patient mentors. So, gosh, this program did a lot for me. I very vividly remember the moments that I had in this room because this was kind of like my safe haven. This is where I felt like I could be myself and be creative and kind of explore what I wanted to do, because I didn't have a lot of people to look up to in where I grew up that wanted to do the same thing that I wanted to do. So yeah, you know, Mrs. Begg just kind of, she always encouraged us to dream, and she always encouraged us to kind of follow our hearts. Once you actually find success with the hard work and time and perseverance that you put into something, it is that much more fulfilling when you finally get it. And it just got me more motivated to, you know, do more and go further. I told the kids today that every single person peaks at their own time. And it wasn't my time any of the times that I auditioned beforehand, but it just so happened that when I was 25, in that moment, it was my time. So I want the kids to, I want them to keep trying no matter how many no's, you just take it and you learn from it, and then you go on and you try again. And I want them all to know that it might not be their time right now, or it may be their time right now, but just to be patient and keep trying in the meantime. It's inspiring me to have these kids look up to me and be inspired by me. So I'm just really excited. It just motivates me more to keep doing what I'm doing, so that these kids have positive role models to look up to, which is really good.